like a nice house there. You see that? So very nice, guys. Let's go. Let's go down there. So this one is, it says there's a butterfly there. And this one also is very nice. Trees. And the trees are here. So this was connected already to that area. Okay, let's take a walk at the side, guys, because it's already connected. So this one is a butterfly also, the yellow color. So if you want to go this area, you see there's a water there. Okay, I think that is for all the plants here that you need to so that area you can go down, right? So you can go down that area. Look at the view. Oh my gosh, a beautiful view of the rock. So let's go this way, guys, and let's check if we can still make a lot of picture. So I think this area also is different, or it's like connected already to that area, to the other side. Oh yeah, we've been there. Okay, let's go back. So we go this area, guys, where you hear that so many people here also. So that's it. We've been that area, right? So we are now outside of the park. Let's check and take a look here. There you are. Then if you want to take a walk there, guys, so I don't know. So it says here that, oh, it's going to the okay, let's take a walk for a while. Let's just check fast and fast. Let's go. And like, I think this area is something like, oh my god, it's very beautiful place. So let's take a walk.